All right, so now we're gonna move into checking our work. Whenever you're solving an equation, you wanna check it to make sure you solved it correctly to catch any mistakes you may have made. So the equation you have on your slide is 20 equals negative 6n minus 6 plus 2. So we're gonna solve it first. I need to combine like terms, and this time they're on the right side, and it's the constants. So bring down the 20. Bring down the negative 6n, and negative 6 plus 2, I'm going to subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4. I have more negatives. So that's what you get when you combine like terms. Now, I need all of my constants to be on the other side. So my variable is on the right. I need to get rid of this minus 4 by doing the opposite on both sides. These are gone. 20 plus 4 is 24. Equals negative 6n. Isolate the variable by dividing on both sides. So n is negative 4. I think, okay? I have to check to make sure I did it correctly. I'll switch colors for my check. So the way you check is, now that you know what the answer is, you're going to rewrite the original equation, but we're going to substitute every n with a negative 4. So this will look like 20 equals negative 6 times negative 4. Parentheses mean multiply. We can't use the x anymore, remember, because x is a variable. And then copy down the negative 6 and the plus 2. So 20 equals negative times negative is positive. 6 times 4 is 24 minus 6 plus 2. Bring down the 20. I'm going to add my positives together. So 24 and 2 is 26. 26 minus 6 is 20. I know I'm right because I got the same number on both sides. If I had gotten 20 equals 26, that would mean my answer is wrong and I need to go back and solve it again. But since I know I'm right, I can put the answer in the box and we're finished. So the next 3 problems, you're going to solve and check. Then you'll be ready for the exit ticket.